a designer is like to be a god. Like you're literally a god. You create these teeny tiny little things that cater to this big, big world. And that's a brand. But there's no money in a shitty brand unless you're Urban Outfitters. What is this class about? It's about design, but I think the real question is what is not design, because it's literally everywhere. Right now I'm Margaret Willows talking to you about design, but then I'm a seamstress, I'm a molder, I'm a creator, and now I'm a snake. But now I'm a molder again, and then I turn right back into a snake. But you never know, maybe tomorrow I'm gonna be an Asian man. A middle-aged Asian man with 2 kids and one on the way. I'm a designer on everything, I'm everywhere. You know, being a designer, it's not for everyone. It's really, 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 really hard. This is Margaret Willows, and this is my masterclass.